Hi again, everyone. Right now, I'm going to explain the sound ah. Ah. To make the vowel sound drop your jaw until the lips are 5/8 of an inch apart. Tense your lips and round them forward halfway. For example, off, on, often, gone, all, go, all, call, outer, fault, daughter, caught, awful, lawn, cough, but, broad. More example in sentences. Draw water from the faucet. The water is always calm in August. I thought Audrey saw a lawyer. You ought to have brought your daughter. Compare the sound from Unit 7 with from this one. Well, I have a few samples. Cough, cough, gone, gone, but, long, song, sung, wrong, wrong, caught, golf, golf. More examples in sentences. Bud was caught with the gun he bought. Sonny has sung all the wrong love songs. Audrey brought the awesome puppies. Maud cut the cuff from that awful cloth. More examples, comparing with the O from Unit 9 to A from this one. Lawn, boat, but, coat, cat, off, loafed, laughed, bowl, ball, on, boast, boss. And last but not least, some examples in sentences. Joe caught the mole in his lawn. Paula lost her coat on the long walk. The tall author is his own boss. He bought the old boat, then walked home. Have a nice day.